Starsky&Hutch, the 21st Century Environmental Explorers. It's going to show you something else along this beach. Okay, there's a trike there. Now we're on the west coast of Portugal. There's a gas refinery, I'm not too sure, but this is a beach on the west coast of Portugal. Okay, there's a beautiful Atlantic Ocean. And Sandy, you're over there in the good old USA, so we'll give you a wave. But just look, anywhere in the world you go along the high tide line or just a tide line, you find all this plastic. I'm going to pick up as what I can and I'll put it in the bag and you'll see. There's the tops, the top, suntan bottle, a bit of plastic. Now, where's that come from? Does it come from Spain? Does it come from the US? Does it come from England? Does it come from Portugal? Don't know. Bit of polystyrene. Some more bits of plastic here. Okay. Well, that's been around for a while, hasn't it? Another bit of plastic. Another plastic clothes peg. You know, it's just wherever you go. It's all here. Just find it. A little bit here. Broken plastic on the top here. Bottles everywhere. See, forks, knives and stuff you find, bottles everywhere. More plastic that's breaking up. Bottle tops. The clothes peg. Just want to show you what the beautiful sea looks like. It's a beautiful crystal clear ocean. That's incredible. You can just take this little section here. Blue top here, bit of plastic stuff here, another bit of plastic, you got another bit here, another bit here, two tops here, another bit of plastic here, another one here. Yeah, who's going to go around picking all this stuff up? There's tons of it. Once you actually start taking notice of it. Little bits like this, you know, who's going to go around picking all these little bits up? They're going to come back in your food chain, like it or not. There's tons of it. Look, just little bits. It's all been washed up by the sea. And don't forget, this is the 31st of October, and it must be about 24 again today. And tomorrow we're going to get a bit of rain. They're forecasting, so that makes quite a few people happy. But it's a month behind already, so you know, take notice what's going on. I mean, there's a trike. Can I just look in this little box? Shows all bits of plastic. I mean, there's little bottles here. This here, again, more plastic wrappers, polystyrene. Look at those little bits, who's going to pick that up? More plastic rubbish, plastic. These things that just hold straws and things in, there's just tons of it. Who's going to come and pick it up? This little bush too, there's lots of it. Okay, a bit of polystyrene. Plastic, bit of materials and stuff, more plastic, Come on, who's going to come pick it all up? All these have had little straws in it. Now, this is one of the things that the Portuguese government are at fault for, or the local council, putting these bins here with no lids on them. So what do you think, people just overfill them and rubbish just goes everywhere? It's ridiculous. There's little bits of plastic bottles already. I mean, there's enough bins, but I guarantee you, when the tourists come here, they'll be overfull. And they won't empty them. They should put bins with actual lids on, so you got a hole in the top, and you can then make sure the stuff is securely in the bin. Get a bit of wind and that just gets all washed over, and that's it onto the beach over there. Bloody ridiculous. Just a little bit of thought goes a long way, you know. And again, it's humans. Probably saves a little bit of money. They're not doing it. Right, you teach kids, you know, round peg goes in a round hole, and so on and so on. So how difficult can it be for bloody human beings, adults, to put things in the right order? Domestic stuff, rubbish goes in there, paper and cartons go in there, plastic goes in there. I find it a bit strange, plastic and metal mixing, but never mind. And your batteries can go in there, and your glass bottles go in there. That can't be that difficult, surely. I just want to show you what I've picked up in a few feet, mostly, not much, on the beach. Well, look at it all. It's all little bits and pieces, but who's going to pick it up? I mean, it's just, you know, that little bit. Who's going to pick that little blue bit up? It could come back in your fish and all kinds of stuff. You know, there's just so much. So, just stop making that stuff. It's just unbelievable. Just little bits of plastic here, bottles, and all this stuff. Who's going to be picking this up? You know, there's tons of bits like this, thousands of millions of them. You know, but who's going around picking it all up? You know, there's a bit of plastic there. So much damage it can do.